In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create explainer videos with Canva. By the end, you'll have a complete explainer video built in Canva with clear scenes, on-screen text and visuals, optional stock footage, voiceover or music, smooth transitions, and a final MP4 file ready to share. First, open Canva. This takes you to your Canva home screen or dashboard. Click Create a Design. You'll see format options appear. Select Video or Explainer Video Template. Video gives you a standard landscape canvas for most platforms, and explainer video templates come with styles designed for step-by-step explanations. Either option opens the editor. Choose a pre-made template or start blank. If you pick a template, click it to load all pages and styles. If you prefer full control, choose a blank design so you can build from scratch. Either way, the editor opens with your first page ready. Add scenes or pages for each part of your explanation. In the Pages panel, click Add Page to create a new scene. Keep one main idea per page so viewers can follow your story. Rename pages if needed for your own clarity while editing. Add text, images, icons, or animations to each scene. Click Text to add headings or body text and type your key points. Use elements to search for icons and illustrations, then drag them onto the canvas. Place and resize items so they're readable and balanced. To add motion, select an element and click Animate. Then choose a simple animation that supports the message without being distracting. Repeat this for each scene so your explainer flows from start to finish. Click Elements, then Videos to add stock clips if needed. Search for a relevant term, then drag a clip onto the canvas. If you want the video as a background, drag it to fill the page until it snaps in place. Trim or reposition as necessary so it matches the point you're explaining on that scene. Add voiceover or audio via the Uploads or Audio tab. If you've recorded a voiceover, open Uploads, upload your audio file, then drag it into the timeline to place it across your scenes. If you need background music or sound effects, open the Audio tab and choose a track, then drag it onto the timeline. Keep volume levels balanced so narration stays clear over any music. Apply transitions or page animations. Between pages, click the small icon that appears on the page divider to choose a transition. Pick a clean, consistent style and apply the same transition throughout for a professional feel. For emphasis within a page, select elements and apply subtle animations as needed. Keep movement consistent so it enhances comprehension. Preview your video. Click the Preview or Play button to watch from the first page through the last. Check that text is legible, visuals match the narration, transitions feel smooth, and audio is in sync. If something feels rushed or too busy, make quick adjustments to the text size, placement, or animation speed and preview again until it's clear. Click Share, then Download. This opens your export settings. Select MP4 video. This is the standard video format that works on most platforms and preserves your animations and audio. Click Download. Canva will process your project and save the MP4 to your device. Wait for the download to finish before closing the tab. Well, your explainer video in Canva is now complete and ready to share as an MP4 file. Everything you created, scenes, text, visuals, animations, transitions, and audio, has been exported and is working as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.